trying to get started. Mom? Push. Push.
Why y'all doing that? Damn
Push.
it. Shit.
What are you
I
talking
was
about?
watching Frankenstein.
Young Frankenstein?
Yep. No, that was... Did you bring Daisy down? Oh, her legs in bad shape. What about her tail?